has 3 hubs. Alice the camel has 3 hubs. Alice the camel has 3 hubs. So go, Alice, and Alice go. Alice the camel has 2 hubs. Alice the camel has 2 hubs. Alice the camel has 2 hubs. So Alice go. Alice the camel has 1 hub. Alice the camel has 1 hub. Alice the camel has 1 hub. So go, Alice go.
Sarah's sneaking pictures.
Alice the camel has no hubs. Alice the camel has no hubs. Alice the camel has no hubs. So he is a horse.
Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Do you know the Purple Soup song? Okay, hold this. So get your hands up like you're stirring something. Okay. You go stirring in the purple soup. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Stirring in the purple soup. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo. You got purple tomatoes and purple potatoes. And then you point to somebody and say, Andy. And then you say, oh, now you're in the purple soup. Then finally, when you get to like 10 people, you say, oh, soup's all done. It's really good. Man, what else did we do? We used to do a whole bunch of those things.
Oh, there's a song that it's like, God bless my underpants. It's a Girl Scout song to sing.
God bless my underpants.
What?
You know, boom, chicka, boom.
See it, I might know it.
I said a boom, chicka, boom.
Oh yeah. See song.
Darian, why are you hiding?
What did you say?
Because he's smart.
We're singing Girl Scout. Well, actually, we're singing camp songs.
No, I'm sure you know the camp song.
Huh?
Spent a whole week with them. Camp song.
Yeah, but I don't really know any. Like, if I went back there and then they started singing some of the songs, I would remember, but...
Do you know God Bless My Underwear? God bless my underwear. It was God Bless My Underwear, so we sing that through the washroom, in the dryer, in the basket, in the drawer. God bless my oh! You know Little Sally Walker?
Father Abraham,
This
window
sons.
I want them. You know the Father Abraham one day?
Why? Is it raining? Come get under the umbrella. You want to go? Watch your foot.
Baby girl.
Go sit with Maggie.
Who am I? You know me. You know me, little stinker.
What? Mommy and Daddy got you in clean jammies, huh? Everybody's huddled under.
Up here. What?
Babe, you could plug that in for light. Those pink. Oh,
You want
yeah.
you want to set in your stroller? Yeah, you can't push it out there.
Where's the cord at?
You just put it into the extension cord, which the coffee pot is currently plugged into. Unplug the coffee pot.
See what she's got in her hand.
What you got? Let me see.
Scrabble stains in it.
Yeah.
What?
Scrabble stains in it.
Watch, Uncle Jason's gonna plug the flamingos in. Ooh, pretty lights. What are you doing in the rain? Short stuff, you wanna go sit with Papa? Come on. Come on. Let's go sit with Papa.
Here's the softball.
Come on. Oh, hot. Hot.
Ouch.
Hot.
Ouch.
Like, see this now, hit it to the outfield. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Who is that?
Who's that?
Far. Ah. Far. Ouch.
I wish I had like all this campfire songs memorized and I could just sing them.
There's it's a mix. There's a mix.
You do the little birdie one, like the little birdie from my window.
No, you don't need to go near there.
16.
She want to go to
Look,
Maggie.
she's trying to blow it.
She's wanting to go to Maggie.
Step on the blood. And smash it a little more.
I got her.
And then the moral of the story is if you like bread, protect your head.
Eat it all mixed up. Eat it all mixed up.
The moral of the story is
She wants to go over there. She won't by the far.
The baby lives in the sea. The baby lives in the blue ocean. The daddy lives in
You want to go
the
Papa?
blue ocean. The mommy swims through
She
the
wanted it on my lap too.
blue
Stole
ocean.
it from you now.
The daddy goes on. The mama goes on. The baby goes
Mom, please
on.
Yeah, I know it's hot.
Please stop. There you go. The baby swims back up to the top. Now he's safe. Thanks for coming. We'll see you at the party. The mommy and the baby. Yeah. Daddy.
ouchie. Ouchie.
Mommy
Ouch.
does it.
Where are we going?
The baby just
Where are we going?
jumps
Back him up.
down.
Grandma, oh yeah.
Do you know the whale song?
Whale song, What's the whale song?
It's the baby whale.
I know Baby Shark.
Feel that it's hot.
Baby shark.
She knows not to go near it. Exactly.
Baby
Go
shark.
sing it.
Because if she just runs straight
Shark,
into it,
shark,
she's going to realize it.
Grandma shark.
Close. Her hands
Daddy
start to
shark,
get hot.
shark,
She can't get near it.
I need to sing all
I don't really know the song.
It's been years now.
Do you know the whale song?
No, I don't know the
The
whale
whale
song.
song.
Oh yeah.
Here, you know Sally Walker?
Going swimming. I don't know how it goes. Like,
No.
Oh, it's Going Swimming.
going swimming.
Going Swimming.
Swimming.
Saw a shark. Saw a shark.
Yeah.
That's not the
Baby
song.
shark, 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 baby shark, shark.
That's not the song I'm talking about.
I know.
It's the song. It's like Daddy whale swims.
Or no, it's baby shark, and then mommy shark, and then grandma shark, and then daddy shark.
It's not the one we know.
I know. And then
Whoa,
walks
whoa.
in arm.
Okay, let's do Sally Walker.
Saw the shark,
How do
shark,
you do
shark. Swim faster,
I
faster.
here. You go this way.
Gotta swim faster.
Yeah.
Swim faster.
Can you help us do Sally Walker? You
Sure,
just,
I don't know.
I don't think we
You
made
just
that one.
stand
That's like
there.
a California.
I know it's little Sally Walker walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she stopped and followed me. And then you do the same thing. And
She's
then
getting in
you
the car
switch
with their mom.
You can do anything crazy. It's like, do your thing, do your thing and flip. Do your thing, do your thing, do your thing and flip. And then you go around and there's little Sally walking.
That is
Street.
fun.
So she stopped in front of me. Do you think I want to sing the whales?
I don't know the whale one. So.
I do. I'll just sing it. Daddy whale goes in the water to swim around like a little cat. Everybody knows he's the best. Everybody knows the daddy whale. And what is it? Is it shark or whale? Whale. It's that. There's one here. Moving on.
Little green flag. We didn't do that one because they didn't know what to put. Trying to think.
Brownies on a plate.
We did the McDonald's one.
What?
The McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and Pizza.
Oh.
And then you do all those different versions.
I remember that one.
Here's one where it's like marching
I might not march in the infantry.
marching around the fire. Chop, chop.
I might not march in.
A very wet camping trip. What?
Yes,
What are you doing?
yes.
You staying dry? Guess what? We're on Candid Camera. How do you like all this rain?
It sucks. We can't roast hot dogs and marshmallows.
And we can't make s'mores. But the kids still look like they're having fun. Even though we have to walk around with umbrellas.
Nemo. I wanted to see. Where did Nemo go?
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, I want to sing you guys a song.
Okay.
Marching around the fire, clap your hands. Marching around the fire, stop your feet. With your hands apart, we're going now. This is the thing you do when you're out of camp.
Very good.